Hey everyone, how you doing tonight? I was going to make some Alfredo in the blender tonight, but I need to grate my Parmesan cheese first, and so I thought I would make a separate video just to show you that. So I've got the lid on the blender, and I am going to put it on the grind setting, and I'm going to push start, and I have the middle thing taken out of the lid. And so I'm going to push start here. It's going to be a little loud, but I'm just going to drop this Parmesan cheese in. We have freshly grated Parmesan cheese. That was about 5 ounces, and my recipe calls for 4 ounces, so I'm going to reserve 1 ounce of that to sprinkle on the top of my Alfredo for tonight. Thanks for watching. Okay, y'all, we are back. We are going to make this Alfredo sauce. So we're going to start with 2 cups of milk. And we're just going to pour that in. And half a teaspoon of salt. And we are going to put the lid on. We are going to put this on the sauce setting and push start. Blend, and it's going to heat up that milk, and after that is heated up, I'm going to add this. I'll show it to you. It's a roux, and I just made it out of 3 tablespoons of butter and 1/4 cup of flour, and I heated it in the microwave 30 seconds at a time, stir for 1.5 minutes. So this is the roux that's going to thicken up that sauce. And once this is heated up, it's going to give me, it's going to say add, and that's when I'll add this roux. And at the end, I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to pour in 4 ounces of this grated Parmesan cheese that I just made. And I'm going to add some parsley for color. I have the water heating up for my fettuccine noodles, and that's salted. So there should be enough salt in this. Some things that you can add to this recipe would be garlic, if you like garlic in your Alfredo sauce, and maybe pepper. Those are some options. And I will show you the results.